Hello everyone. Does your computer is turning on by itself? Normally not many people will actually shut down our own PC, right? Sometimes we will put the work as it is and we will just click the sleep option. So whenever we come back to use the computer, the work will be still there and we can resume the work. So most likely we will use the sleep option for that. But in some cases, even if we set our computer to sleep, when we come back, it's automatically turned on, right? It's kind of weird. So I will show you guys a few methods that you can try that could fix this problem for you. Solution 1. You have to go inside the control panel. Change this view to large icons. Now click the power options, and inside this you have to click this choose what the power buttons do. And now you have to click the change settings that currently unavailable. And now you have to turn off this. Once you've done that, save the changes. And now I'll show you guys the second solution. Inside the power options, you have to click the change power settings and you have to click this change advanced settings. And here if you click this sleep option, you can find an option called allow wake up timers and you have to disable this. With these settings, now your computer will not turn on with the wake up timers. And now I'll show you guys the third solution. For the third solution, you also have to go inside the control panel, but this time you have to go inside the system and security. Click the system. And now you have to click the advanced system settings. Now you have to click this startup and recovery settings, and here you have to uncheck this option which says automatic restart and click OK. And I will also show you guys the fourth solution. If it doesn't work for you, try that as well. And now you also have to go inside the control panel, but this time go inside the system and security. And you have to click the security and maintenance. And you have to drop down this maintenance option. And you have to change this setting, which says change maintenance settings. And you have to uncheck this option and click OK. This way it will not turn on even if it's for the maintenance purpose. I have shown most common solutions here. If none of them is working, make sure to scan your computer one time, and even if it doesn't help, tell me in the comments below and I'll make a new video about it. So I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.